So I received all these VCRs non-working, and all the DVD players work, but it's the VCR portion that doesn't work. Majority of the time is when they don't get used. Uh, they go into some kind of mode of like a non-working mode. It's kind of hard to explain, but and then I mean, I literally got a ton of these VCRs in same VCR DVD VCR combo. Anyways, um, majority of the time that the tapes will not even go in is gonna be that there is gonna be like a either food or a toy, or for this instance that I found here, see this one, it says VCR not working. I found this spoon lodged in there, and the tape would only go so much. But anyways, after removing the spoon, um, the VCR started working again. So anyways, that's just a quick fix there. If your VCR is not working, watch my next video on another one that when your VCR is dormant and then you go play your videos later on, it not playing your VHS anymore. Watch my next video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.